If you love streaming but hate buffering, securing your home network is a must. Here's how to do it like a pro. First up, ditch those default credentials. Change your router's username and password pronto. Next, enable strong encryption like WPA2 or WPA3. This keeps your Wi-Fi chatter private. Got features like UPnP or remote management? If you're not using them, turn them off. They're just open doors for hackers. And don't forget updates. Keep your router and devices updated automatically. Firewalls are your friends. Make sure your router's firewall is on, and maybe add some extra security software too. Segment your network. Set up separate guest and IoT networks. If one gets hacked, your main stuff stays safe. Lastly, educate your household. Share these tips so everyone knows how to stay cyber savvy. Follow these steps, and you'll be a home network security pro in no time.